why you feel embarrassed while speaking English language. I know that you feel embarrassed while speaking English language because so many cause this is the dependent to your English speaking. That's why you are feel very embarrassed when you speak English language. This problem is I know that this problem is a very abcdn problem. This is not very high level problem. Okay, this problem is a very temporary, and time to time this problem is a overcome. Okay, and this problem is a less, so don't worry for it. So in this video I'm going to share with you so many things about the how to overcome the embarrassment and why you feel embarrassment, the cause of the embarrassment. In this video I'm going to share with you so many fear of the judgment. You know that you are face the problem of the fear of the judgment. If I do mistake, then what they will say to me, Karan don't want to speak English language, and Karan has not idea, so many things. I know that the fear of the judgment, I know that this problem is a very initial problem for you, that you are speaking English is not very good, my vocabulary is not very good, so many things, and you are disappointed to speak this language because someone person's laughing to you, and what they will say about you, what they will think about you. This thing is a running out in your mind, and this fear of the judgment, cause of this fear of the judgment, you are not try to speak this language, and then your English is a totally stuck, your English is a totally stay, and you couldn't able to speak this language fluently because this is your initial problem, this is your abcd problems, because fear of the judgment. So avoid it, please don't worry for it that what will they say, because you know that the 1% is not like relate to yourself, that they what they will say, don't care about it. And you know that when you grow up in your life, when you will speak English language very professionally, then they will say you that, oh Karan, how can you start speaking this language, your English is very fluent, wow, your English is very good, please tell me what's the secret to learn this language. Oh, then you will laugh that yes, I can achieve something and I'll achieve something in my life. Okay, so try to speak this language and don't care about the other persons, because other persons cannot give you so many things and benefit, because they were overcome your courage, they was you know that so many things. I know that fear of the judgment and laughing in yourself. So this is a fear of the judgment. And you know that lack of the practice, the cause of the lack of the practice and confidence, you are embarrassed, you feel shyness, nervousness, and your mind running the so many things like I am very poor English, my English is not very good, my English is totally stuck, I have not lot idea about the lot of the vocabularies, idioms and phrases. And you know that this kind of the thing running out in your mind, and cause of this you feel embarrassed, nervousness, and you feel fear, that a little fear, that this is a not for me, this is a totally not for me, this is very difficult, English learning is a very complex for me, so many things running out in your mind. So avoid it, because this is the initial problem for you, and I also faced this problem. Okay, so don't care about it, that what will they say, and don't afraid to mistakes, making mistakes, because you know that mistake make you perfect. You know, perfection, when you will try to speak in this language daily, regularly, consistently, then the perfections will come. Otherwise you will not do to this thing, due to this kind of the thing, then perfection won't come in your life, because you're not able to speak this language and you are not trying to speak this language in your daily life. You know that consistency and regularity and repetition is a more important to achieve something. Not only this kind of the thing, not only declared the English, but also the achieve success. If you want to try to something, if you want to achieve something in your life, then focus, consistency and discipline you'll have to acquire, then you will achieve something. Otherwise you cannot able to achieve something. Okay, so try to speak this language and achieve something, and as well as try to enhance your, expand your personality, focus on your personality development, because you are able to speak this language, and then you will feel very good, confident, and enhance your body language, face expressions, eye contact, so many things you can do. And then you will look your all of the things, your English is a good, your body language is good, your dressing sense is a good, and then you will look your transformation. You will totally change. Okay, so try to speak this language. And you know that negativity is self talk. Someone persons judge you and fear of the judgment and making mistake, and then you are start to negative self talk like my English is very poor, I'm poor, my English is not very good, I'm not able to speak this language, but my friend is speaking this language. Compare with you with yourself with other, your friends, your colleague, with other person. This is a totally bad way to learn this language, because if you are learning this language, so feel that this is a journey that I'm learning this language, and transform the negative talk to positive talk. Positive talk. You are feel that hesitate, you say I'm good English speaker, I'm very feel confident, I'm very good person, and I'm avoid the bad persons. They will nervous, they will feel felt me nervousness and so many things. You can do it, and you are able to speak this language. And comparing yourself with the other, your friend, my friend is he speak very good, but I cannot able to speak very good. So this kind of the way is a totally rough for you, because this is a not way to speak this language, comparing yourself with the other. Because everybody has a different journey to learn this language. Like, I am trying to speak this language before the 6 month 6 month ago. I'm trying to speak this language, and then right now I'm able to speak this language. And in my initial days, approximately 4 months past, I also faced it, that I was thinking that time that my English is not very good, that that time I was not able to use the would, could, might, preposition, conjunction, how to use them, and how to make how to create a video in the front of the camera. I hadn't confident that time, but still I'm trying, and day by day I will improve. I have improved myself, and then I'll able to speak this language with the front of the camera. And right now I'm proudly say that I can able to speak this language with the front of the camera and front of the lot of the peoples, because I have a lot of the confidence to speak this language. This is a very good and this is a very bad thing, that speaking this language and fear of the judgment. Fear of the judgment and comparing yourself, this is a destroy your English speaking, and you won't able to achieve your fluency. So please avoid it, because this is a very initial problem to you. And never give up, try to speaking this language day by day. You should try to better yourself in English, and your self improvement and plus English and plus communication skill. These three things can change your entire life, and entire your in future 10 years, 5 years, your worldwide, your whole life. You this kind of the thing can change your whole life, your entire life. To try to speak this language, and as well as communication and self improvement. And maybe you have a bad environment to speak this language, your environment that doesn't support you to speak this language. I have a also bad environment to speak this language. In my family members, my family member cannot able to speak this language. They cannot able to speak this language good. It means they have not idea to one sentence in English in my family. But I'm able to speak this language because I have tried to speak this language, I have learned this language, and then this is a result with the front of the you, that I'm able to speak this language. And my environment is a totally rough to English, to speaking this language. I have not a proper room to speak this language and create a video. There I make a food, there the worship, there I sleep, there I study, and here I create a video. And I have not a good shirt and good cloth to wear it. I have not a good background, but I adjust this. And I have not a best camera, this is not my mobile, this is my sister's mobile. But still I am trying to speak this language and creating a video. I have not a best light, this is a normal light, and this is a very unrude light. Okay, rude light it means. But still I am trying to speak this language. So why you feel that embarrassed that when you speak English language? Because all of the things is very good for you. Whatever I have, I accept it. And whatever are getting in my life, I accept it. Because my life, my rules, and I'm totally accept it. And that someone person come my judge me, someone persons come and judge me, and then I don't care about it because my life, my rules, and I'm appreciate myself because someone person don't come to your home